Hi, Paigon here. Welcome back to my channel. In this super short video, I'm going to show you the simplest and fastest way to create a blog post in WordPress using Gutenberg. Here's the back end of my website. If you didn't know, I use WordPress and I design WordPress websites. This is what Gutenberg looks like. Basically, you're creating content using blocks. Each block is used to represent a header, paragraph, image, and so on. My honest thoughts are, I hate Gutenberg and I prefer the original basic Word document. It was easier for me to code it myself and it was less time consuming. Now you might be wondering why I haven't switched back to the original layout, and that there's two reasons actually. Number one, laziness, and number two, I'm just trying to keep an open mind. I got to keep up with technology. Even my mom is more advanced than I am. She's the one who taught me about apps and other things that I don't use on my phone. Anyways, when Gutenberg came out, I needed a faster and easier way to create blog posts. Then I went back to my tried and true method. I always type out my blog posts in a Google Doc. Then I just copy and paste it into WordPress. Usually I can copy and paste in sections because I can add images or videos in between. But then I realized I could copy and paste everything and add it in Gutenberg and it automatically creates the blocks for you. Even if I had a link to my video, it would automatically add the block for me. So Gutenberg actually works out better than the original layout until I have to code something, and that takes 50 million years. Now I can just go back and add the images I need to add, and it took less time than creating the blocks individually. If you like this video, hit subscribe for my latest videos and let me know in the comments below how you feel about Gutenberg. Until next week, bye!